Introduction to the Hyaluron Pen. Welcome to the exciting world of non-invasive dermal fillers, where science and aesthetics intersect to enhance natural beauty without the need for surgery. This chapter delves into the fascinating realm of the Hyaluron Pen, an innovative device that has revolutionized cosmetic enhancements. We will explore its history, benefits, and key aspects that make this technique a popular choice for facial rejuvenation. The Hyaluron Pen offers a needle-free alternative for administering hyaluronic acid fillers, appealing to a broad client base. This method provides a less intimidating experience compared to traditional injections, making aesthetic treatments more accessible. Its rise in popularity reflects a growing demand for subtle, natural-looking results with minimal downtime. Evolution of dermal fillers. The quest for youthful, radiant skin has been a timeless pursuit throughout human history, with ancient civilizations experimenting with various substances. Early attempts at skin enhancement included mixtures of honey, oils, and other natural ingredients. For example, ancient Egyptians used oils and balms to maintain skin suppleness, while Romans utilized natural substances for cosmetic purposes. The development of modern dermal fillers has seen remarkable advancements, moving from early iterations like collagen and silicone injections. While these provided temporary improvements, they often came with drawbacks such as allergies and lumping. The progression highlights a continuous search for safer and more effective aesthetic solutions. Hyaluronic acid, a game changer. Hyaluronic acid, HA, a naturally occurring substance found in the human body, marked a significant turning point in the world of dermal fillers. This molecule plays a crucial role in maintaining skin hydration and suppleness. Scientists realized that by creating HA-based fillers, they could provide a safer, more effective, and longer-lasting solution for facial rejuvenation. HA has an incredible capacity to hold water molecules, up to 1,000 times its weight, which is vital for skin hydration and plumpness. This remarkable property makes it an ideal ingredient for fillers, as it helps restore lost volume and smooth out wrinkles. Its biocompatibility also significantly reduces the risk of adverse reactions compared to earlier filler materials. Birth of the Hyaluron Pen. The Hyaluron Pen emerged as a groundbreaking technique for delivering hyaluronic acid fillers, developed primarily in Europe, particularly in Russia. It has since gained global popularity due to its minimally invasive nature and impressive results. This innovation addressed the limitations of traditional needle injections, offering a new approach to aesthetic treatments. The Hyaluron Pen is a handheld device that administers filler through a high-pressure jet, propelling hyaluronic acid into the skin using air pressure. This innovative approach virtually eliminates the need for needles, making it a significant advantage for those who fear injections or have needle phobias. This needle-free delivery system has made cosmetic enhancements more accessible and less daunting for many clients. Key benefits: minimally invasive and natural results. One of the most appealing aspects of the Hyaluron Pen technique is its minimally invasive nature, as no needles are involved. This significantly reduces the pain, bruising, and downtime typically associated with traditional injection methods. Clients can experience less discomfort and a quicker recovery, making it an attractive option for busy individuals. The Hyaluron Pen allows the precise control over filler placement, resulting in natural-looking enhancements. Practitioners can achieve subtle, balanced results that enhance features without appearing overdone. This precision helps maintain facial harmony and avoids the frozen or overfilled look sometimes associated with less controlled methods. Key benefits: quick procedure and minimal downtime. The Hyaluron Pen procedure is relatively quick, often taking less than an hour to complete, making it highly convenient for clients with busy schedules. This efficiency allows individuals to fit treatments into their day without significant disruption. For example, many clients can schedule a session during a lunch break and return to their activities shortly after. Minimal downtime is another significant advantage, as there are no incisions or needles. clients can typically resume their daily activities immediately after the treatment. This is particularly beneficial for those who wish to keep their enhancements discreet and avoid noticeable recovery periods. Key benefits: gradual build-up and versatility. The Hyaluron Pen technique allows for a gradual build-up of results, enabling clients to opt for multiple sessions to achieve their desired outcome without committing to a single drastic change. This incremental approach provides greater control and customization, ensuring client satisfaction with the evolving results. It's like painting a masterpiece, layer by layer. Its versatility is another key benefit, as the Hyaluron Pen can be used for various facial areas, including the lips, cheeks, and nasolabial folds. This makes it a valuable tool for addressing a wide range of cosmetic concerns. From subtle lip plumping to smoothing out deeper lines, the device offers comprehensive solutions for facial rejuvenation. Key benefits: reduced risks and no allergic reactions. The Hyaluron Pen significantly reduces the risk of complications often associated with needle injections, such as bleeding, bruising, and nerve damage. Its needle-free delivery system minimizes trauma to the skin and underlying tissues. This makes it a safer option for many clients, particularly those concerned about potential side effects. Hyaluronic acid-based fillers have a lower risk of allergic reactions compared to some other filler materials, making them suitable for a broader range of individuals. HA is naturally present in the body, which contributes to its excellent safety profile. This biocompatibility is a major reason for its widespread acceptance and preference in aesthetic medicine. Popularity and client demand. The Hyaluron Pen technique has gained immense popularity in recent years, driven by the demand for non-surgical cosmetic procedures that deliver natural-looking results. This surge reflects a broader trend in aesthetics towards less invasive treatments with quicker recovery times. The market for non-surgical procedures continues to grow, with millions opting for such treatments annually. Social media platforms have played a significant role in spreading awareness and showcasing the impressive transformations achievable with this technique. Before and after photos and video testimonials provide tangible evidence of results, inspiring many to explore Hyaluron Pen treatments. This digital influence has democratized access to information about aesthetic options. Reasons for popularity: social media and celebrity. The influence of social media platforms, where before and after photos and video testimonials are readily accessible, has significantly contributed to the popularity of Hyaluron Pen treatments. Clients see real people achieving fantastic results and are inspired to try the technique themselves. This visual proof builds confidence and reduces skepticism. When celebrities openly discuss their cosmetic procedures and share their experiences, it demystifies the process and encourages others to explore non-invasive options. Celebrity endorsements often set trends and legitimize aesthetic treatments in the public eye. This transparency helps normalize cosmetic enhancements and makes them more aspirational. Reasons for popularity: natural aesthetics and needle fear. There is a growing trend towards natural-looking enhancements, where clients want to improve their beauty without appearing drastically different. The Hyaluron Pen aligns perfectly with this trend, offering subtle and balanced results. This approach focuses on enhancing existing features, rather than creating an entirely new look, which resonates with many. The fear of needles is a common concern among clients, with studies showing that up to 25% of adults have some form of needle phobia. The Hyaluron Pen's needle-free approach appeals directly to those who would otherwise avoid traditional injectables. This makes aesthetic treatments accessible to a wider demographic, including those with anxieties about injections. Reasons for popularity, quick fixes, and conclusion. In today's fast-paced world, clients are seeking procedures that provide noticeable results with minimal disruption to their daily lives. The speed and convenience of Hyaluron Pen treatments meet this demand perfectly. This aligns with the modern lifestyle, where efficiency and immediate gratification are highly valued. The Hyaluron Pen has become a game-changer in non-invasive cosmetic procedures, offering a safer, more comfortable, and natural-looking alternative to traditional injection methods. Its rising popularity is driven by the desire for subtle enhancements and the convenience it offers. This innovative approach continues to shape the future of aesthetic medicine. Health and safety introduction. The practice of using a hyaluron pen for dermal filler procedures has gained significant popularity due to its non-invasive nature and the promise of youthful, rejuvenated skin. However, like any medical or cosmetic procedure, ensuring the safety and well-being of clients is of paramount importance. Adherence to strict safety protocols is non-negotiable. This chapter delves deep into the health and safety precautions associated with Hyaluron Pen procedures. Understanding these guidelines is crucial for practitioners to provide safe, effective, and ethical treatments. For instance, improper hygiene can lead to infections, while inadequate client screening can result in severe adverse reactions. Hygiene and sterilization practices. Maintaining a clean and sterile environment is the foundation of safety in any aesthetic procedure, especially for Hyaluron Pen treatments, where infection risk must be minimized. This includes meticulous attention to detail in every step of the process. Proper hygiene prevents the spread of bacteria and ensures client health. Key considerations for hygiene include thorough hand washing with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or using medical-grade hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, such as disposable gloves, masks, and eye protection, for both practitioner and assistant. Cleaning and disinfecting the treatment area, including tables, chairs, and all surfaces. Before and after each client, using a hospital-grade disinfectant. Using only sterile, single-use needles, syringes, and other disposable equipment, and disposing of them properly after the procedure. Infection control measures. Infection control is a critical aspect of health and safety in Hyaluron Pen procedures, requiring constant vigilance. Preventing cross-contamination between clients is paramount to maintaining a safe practice. Each client must have their unique set of sterile supplies, and equipment should never be reused without proper sterilization. Specific measures for infection control include vigilantly avoiding cross-contamination by ensuring each client has a unique set of sterile supplies, handling needles and syringes with extreme care, always using a new, sterile needle for each client, and safely disposing of used needles in a sharps container. Cleansing the client's skin with a medical-grade antiseptic solution before the procedure to reduce infection risk at the application site. Client screening and contraindications. Not all individuals are suitable candidates for Hyaluron Pen procedures, making a thorough client screening process essential. This process identifies potential contraindications and ensures the safety of the treatment. A comprehensive assessment helps prevent adverse reactions and ensures the best possible outcome for the client. Key screening points include obtaining a detailed medical history, including allergies, medical conditions, and current medications, as some may contraindicate Hyaluron Pen fillers. Checking for known allergies, especially to hyaluronic acid or lidocaine, often present in filler formulations. Advising against procedures for pregnant or breastfeeding individuals due to a lack of safety data. Carefully evaluating clients with autoimmune disorders due to higher complication risks. Postponing treatment for clients with active skin infections, cold sores, or open wounds in the treatment area until the condition resolves. Allergic reactions and emergency prep. While hyaluronic acid fillers are generally well tolerated, allergic reactions can occur, though anaphylaxis, a severe and potentially life-threatening reaction, is rare. Practitioners must be educated on the signs of an allergic reaction to take immediate action. Recognizing symptoms quickly can be critical for client safety. Emergency preparedness is vital. Educate yourself on allergic reaction signs, including itching, redness, swelling, hives, and difficulty breathing, to take immediate action. Have an anaphylaxis kit readily on hand, including epinephrine auto-injectors and antihistamines. Ensure immediate access to emergency medical services in case of a severe reaction. Proper technique for Hyaluron Pen. The correct technique for using the Hyaluron Pen is crucial for both safety and achieving desirable results. Improper technique can lead to complications and unsatisfactory outcomes. Mastering the nuances of application ensures even filler distribution and minimizes risks. Technique-related safety precautions include being aware of the appropriate needle depth for each facial area to avoid injecting too deeply, which could lead to complications. Maintaining a consistent injection speed to ensure even distribution of the filler and minimize the risk of bruising or overcorrection. Understanding that aspiration, pulling back on the plunger, is not typically performed with Hyaluron Pen procedures due to the low-pressure system, but local guidelines should always be followed. Emergency protocols. Common side effects. While rare, complications can occur during Hyaluron Pen procedures, making it essential to be prepared to handle emergencies. Even common side effects, if not managed properly, can cause client distress. Having clear protocols in place ensures a swift and effective response. Common side effects and their management include bruising and swelling are common side effects that can be managed with cold compresses and arnica gel. Clients should be made aware of these potential side effects before the procedure to manage expectations. Applying a cold compress helps reduce swelling and discomfort, while arnica gel can speed up the healing process for bruises. Emergency protocols, serious complications and conclusion. In the event of accidental vascular occlusion, blockage of a blood vessel, a protocol must be in place for immediate action. This may involve administering hyaluronidase, an enzyme that can dissolve hyaluronic acid fillers, and promptly seeking medical attention. Rapid response is crucial to prevent severe tissue damage. If a client develops signs of infection at the injection site, such as redness, pain, and pus, they should seek medical attention immediately. Ensuring health and safety in Hyaluron Pen procedures is a shared responsibility between the practitioner and the client. Ongoing education and adherence to local regulations are key to maintaining the highest level of safety in your practice.